Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how you can duplicate projects in Asana. This is an incredibly handy tool for those repetitive projects that follow the same structure each time. Our first step is to navigate to the project that we want to duplicate. You can do this by clicking on the Projects tab on the left-hand side of your screen and selecting the relevant project. This is crucial because it allows us to identify the specific project we wish to replicate. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step. Look for the Project Actions drop-down menu located at the top right corner of the project header. Click on it and find the Duplicate Project option. The reason we do this is to instruct Asana that we want to make a copy of the existing project. Once you've clicked Duplicate Project, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll input the name for your new project and select what information you want to carry over from the original project. This could include tasks, assignees, due dates, attachments, and more. This helps us because it allows you to customize your duplicate project to your specific needs. Next up, click on the Create New Project button. This is the final step in the duplication process. Wait for a few moments while Asana creates your new project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is copying all the data and settings you've selected from the original project and applying them to your new project. This process may take a moment or two, depending on the size of your project. Once Asana has finished, you'll be redirected to your new duplicated project. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a project on Asana. Remember, duplicating projects in Asana can save you a significant amount of time if you regularly create similar projects. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And with that, we've reached the end of this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.